Hello, my name is Natalia and today we're going to make cinnamon roll muffins. We're going to need 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar plus 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to put them all in the bowl and mix them. Two teaspoons. And we're going to mix it together. I'm going to use a fork so we can smash the butter. We're going to cut the butter into little cubes. And it's going to be cold. It doesn't matter if you have chunks at the end. I started mixing it with my hands because with the fork it's going to get a little tough. Stop it. This was the filling and topping of our muffins, so we're going to set that aside and make the batter. We're first going to dump in all the dry ingredients, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk them together until it's combined. Once this is done, we're going to make a well in the middle to dump in all our wet ingredients in. We're going to put in 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, one-4 cup of oil, and 1 egg. And we're also going to whisk these together. Now that we're done with the batter, we're going to put it into the pan. We're going to do about a scoop to fill the bottom. Not too much. And then we're going to put some cinnamon topping. Sort of to fill the top, not too little either. I'm gonna fill it. After that, we're going to do another scoop of batter, like the same amount. And then the same thing, we're going to put more topping. Once we're done with that, we're going to continue with the tray. We finished putting them in the tray. Do remember to spray some cooking spray because they do tend to stick. Now we put them in the oven, and we're going to let them be in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, put them in. While our muffins are cooking, we're going to make the glaze. It's very simple. We're just going to put powdered sugar and half. I'm using half and half, but if you don't have it, you can put milk. A very little amount of milk or half and half because we don't want it to be too watery. I'm going to mix that together till it's all dissolved, and if it's too thin, you can put in more powdered sugar, or if it's too thick, you can put in more milk. This we're going to drizzle over them while they're still hot, so it's going to be really good. Easy. They're out of the oven, and we're going to try them. Try it. It's really good. Hope you guys can try it. Bye.